This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard ice cream without cream. To begin, understand that the secret lies in a rich, egg yolk-based custard. This traditional French method creates an incredibly smooth and luxurious texture, even without heavy cream. We will use whole milk as our primary liquid, combined with a generous amount of egg yolks to provide the necessary fat and emulsification. This approach ensures a delightful frozen treat that is both decadent and satisfying. For our cream-free custard ice cream, you will need just a few key ingredients. Start with 4 cups of whole milk, which forms the bulk of our base. Next, gather 8 large egg yolks. These are crucial for achieving that signature creamy texture and richness. You will also need 1 cup of granulated sugar to sweeten the mixture and help prevent ice crystals. Finally, a teaspoon of vanilla extract will provide a wonderful, classic flavor. Now let's craft the heart of our ice cream, the custard base. First, gently heat your 4 cups of whole milk in a saucepan over medium heat until it is steaming, but not boiling. In a separate bowl, whisk together the 8 egg yolks and 1 cup of sugar until the mixture is light and pale yellow. Slowly temper about 1 cup of the hot milk into the egg mixture, whisking constantly. Then, pour this tempered mixture back into the saucepan with the remaining milk. Cook over low heat, stirring continuously, until the custard thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon, reaching about 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your custard base is cooked, immediately strain it into a clean bowl to remove any cooked egg bits, ensuring a silky smooth texture. Place the bowl into an ice bath and stir occasionally until the custard is completely chilled, which usually takes several hours. Once cold, pour the custard into your ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions, typically for about 20 to 25 minutes. Finally, transfer the soft ice cream to an airtight container and freeze for at least 4 hours to achieve a firm, scoopable consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.